Everybody loves to hear how they've performed a job well, and we are no exception. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer experience, and it usually results in our customer sharing their experience with the world.
The team at Clay & Land are great. I've had a chance to work with Neil McConico on a few claims, and he was very knowledgeable and moved the process along quickly. He also has a great support staff that made sure that everything was done as fast as possible and correctly. Great company, great people, and a great experience. I recommend them.
Find out how our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience can help you. We value your business, and we want to show you why. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.